Imagine yourself in this Ford 2017 Mustang EcoBoost Premium. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo with single CD player, radio data system, Sirius XM radio, Sync 3 communications and entertainment system, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.